less than a year, I've gained over 100,000 followers, tried a bunch of different ways to monetize, and I want to talk about that today. Talk about how to grow your Instagram, specifically in the diet niche. That's the niche I chose. The reason I like the diet niche on Instagram in general is because it's an evergreen niche. You know what I mean? So essentially, evergreen niche is something that's not going to go away tomorrow. People are always going to want to lose weight. And whether it's a fad diet that came out, it doesn't matter if you're rich, poor, it doesn't really matter who you are. All of us are worried about our weight. All of us are worried about our appearance. And the diet niche is great because it's never going to go away. Whether you have like a more general page, you get really specific, those people are always going to be interested, because even if they're top physical form, top physical, peak, they're still going to want to learn how to, get more and be healthier, and what to eat and what kind of exercises to do. So the diet niche, if you're wondering what kind of niche do I start on Instagram, I want to grow this thing, I want to get a bunch of traffic, I would suggest for sure the diet niche. And there's so much content out there, right? I mean, depending on what niche it is, it doesn't matter whether you're talking vegan, whether you're talking paleo, whether you're talking just the protein diet, just carnivore diet. There's so many different types, but there's unlimited content out there. And of course, everybody always loves snapping a food pic.